What is up, guys? Welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show. Hopefully, everybody's having a great week out there. This is going to be another episode of penny stocks under $1. So let's jump into it. First, we have ticker sign PTN. So they are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. And we can see that the VWAP is above, barely above, or at moving average 10. But overall, still bullish on the name. They ended the day at 79 cents. So they will have to test this 80 cent level, which is their week high. So they're pretty close to it, in my personal opinion. So definitely I'll be looking at this one for tomorrow for a potential early morning mover. So definitely keep my eyes out on ticker sign PTN. Next, we have ticker sign SYN, which is bullish as well. Moving average 10 is above 5100, and VWAP is above moving average 10. Overall, they will have to test this 98-cent level, but they ended at 88 cents today, going down some more after hours to end at 85 cents for the day. So it seems like they're starting to go down just a little bit, but they will have to test this 98-cent level, which is their week high. But overall, still bullish on the name, in my personal opinion, based on the metrics. Next up, we have ticker sign NSPR, which had a week high of 96 cents, ended the day at 91 cents. Then after hours went down to 85 cents. Overall, still bullish on the name. Moon average 10 above 50 and 100, and VWAP is above moon average 10. Seems to be a lot of buying that was going on with this one today. So I'm going to keep a close eye on this one for a potential early morning mover as well. They did fall off significantly, going to 85 cents, but overall, going to be looking to see how this performs for tomorrow. If they can go back up and test that 96-cent level. Next up, we have ticker sign NEOS, which ended the day at 99 cents. Had a 4-cent rally to end at $1.03. So yes, I still consider them as a penny stock under $1 because they ended the day at 99 cents. So they seem to have a pretty significant rally going on. Now you may say 4 cents is not significant, but just bear in mind we're dealing with penny stocks. So any small movement is a big movement as far as penny stocks are concerned. Now they are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, and VWAP above moving average 10. So they are bullish based on both of my personal metrics, and they ended at 103. So they're only 3 cents away from their week high. So definitely going to be keeping an eye on NEOS for a potential early morning run up for this name. Now, bear in mind this from the perspective of Webull. If you'd like to sign up for Webull and get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100 or more, I have a link down below in the description where you can do so. And also, you do not need to sign up for Webull in order to look at the charts. You can just go to Webull.com and press trade. And just bear in mind I'm using the 30-minute interval and moving average 10, 50, and 100, as well as VWAP, which all can be located in this indicators tab. So if you want to just go and jump into a chart, if you use any of these other indicators, 1 minute, 2 hour, 1 day, 1 week, it will look different than my chart. So just bear that in mind. And also bear in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what stock to invest in, what stock not to invest in. It's just for educational purposes. Next up, we have ticker sign NAKD, which is bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50. So looking at it, we can see that the moving average 10 is below 50, but it's above 100. But in my metrics, I still say that this is bearish. VWAP is above moving average 10, so that means it has potential to continue to go back up, ending the day at 99 cents. And then they had a week high of, looks to be about $1. Where's this peak at? $1.05. So they will have to test that $1.05 level this week to go back to break that bullish uptrend. Next up, we have ticker sign ITP, which is bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. So 100 is all the way down here. And VWAP is above moving average 10. So bullish on both of my metrics. So definitely a thumbs up for that one. And while you're down there, make sure you get that thumbs up in the video. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos as well. So definitely going to be keeping a close eye on this one for a potential early morning mover. They are bullish on both of the indicators and definitely see a lot of fluctuation in this one overall. So going to keep a close eye on ITP. Next up, we have ticker sign GTE, which is bearish. Moving average 10 is barely below the 50, but definitely gonna look at this one for an early morning mover because it did shoot up significantly after hours. Going from 855, 8523 to 8550. Which may not be that significant of a move, but definitely when it comes to penny stocks, any move is a pretty good move. So they did end green technically, so going to be looking to see if they can break out for tomorrow. Next up, we have ticker sign CYRN, which is bullish. Moving average 10 is above 5100, and view up above moving average 10. So definitely gonna be looking at this one to see how they perform for tomorrow. Seems like they bounced off this moving average 50 line, which is good overall, and shot back up. Now they will have to test this 94-cent metric, which I don't think they will have any problem with doing. Surpassing that week high, especially considering it closed today at 93 cents. So they're only 1 cent away from breaking that weekly high. So definitely going to be looking at this one for early morning mover as well. And lastly on here we have ticker sign GSV, which is bullish, moving average 10 above 5100, but VWAP has dipped below the moving average 10. They seem to have a nice little bullish run up that has been going on for quite some time now. Ending the day at 67 cents. And then had a week high of 68 cents. So hopefully they can go back and jump back above that 68-cent metric and have a continuation of their bullish uptrend. We're going to be looking to see the volume, if volume can continue to increase on this one as the week continues to go on. So make sure you all drop a comment down below to which stocks you guys are looking at for the week. And make sure right down there hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.